Thank you guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to walk you through the screen part, that everything you are seeing here in the screen. On our left here we have what we call the navigation menu. Then we have the toolbar. This part up, the whole of it is called the toolbar. Then we have the canvas area. The whole of this screen from here up to here, we call it canvas. Then we have the property panel, this one, from here up to here and going down, it's called a property panel. So from here I'm going to talk about the navigation menu, the navigation menu only. It's what I'm going to talk about. Then other things we shall talk them in the next video as we go on. So for now I'm going to talk about the navigation menu. If time allow, I'll also talk about the toolbar and the property. If it will depend on the time. So let us talk about the different parts that you are seeing here. We have the dashboard, this one here. It's called the dashboard, and this one is used to access the projects that you built. So if you have different projects and you have been in a certain project but you feel you want to see your previous project, you come here to the dashboard and you click on it. The moment you click on it, to take to the dashboard where you will be able to access other mobile apps that you already built, or that you already have. Then we have what you call a widget palette. A widget palette is used to access all the widgets that you can build, that you can use to build your apps. For example, when you click on it, you will be able to see all the widgets that you can deal with. You have the text, the columns, the rows, the containers, image, everything will be accessed via here, via the widget palette. Then we have what we call page selector. Page selector is used to create new pages, to access and see all the pages that you have in your applications, among many more other things that are related to pages. Under this one, it's where you will be able to see pages. You can click and create a new page. You'll be able to see the components, be able to see all the pages that you are dealing with or that you have in your application. Then we have widget tree. Widget tree is used to overview of all the widgets upon the page that you have selected. So you will see the way how your widgets are arranged based on the page that you selected. So we have here a storyboard. A storyboard is used to visualize the way the app runs step by step, or from page to page, from login to home page to other pages. Everything will be seen under the story tab. Then you have the file store. The file store is used to adjust collections, build collections related with the Firebase, or it's a file storage settings. All the file storage settings will be done from here. Creating new collections, creating database, setting up database in case you want to change some settings. Then from there we shall go to data types. Data types are created custom data types for your applications. Then we have app value for managing the app state variables. We have APIs in case you want to define a certain API, or if your application involves the use of API. All APIs are done from here under the API call. Then you have media assets, videos, images, everything will be put under here. Then we have what we call cloud functions in case you want to deal with cloud storage or or custom codes will be done from here. Then we have tests, theme settings, among many more. So let us go and talk about the toolbar on top. Okay, toolbar we have a help menu. When you click here, you will be able to get help, or with the help of AI, you will be able to be helped. When you click here, it's where you can click in case you want to get help. Search in case you want to search a certain palette for easy customization. We have here seeing the version that you are running, or the version that we are working with. You come here, check it on version 1, dates, everything will be here. Comment, you can comment if you want. I don't want to comment. You will be able to see issues that our app is having under the toolbar. In case your app is in red, you'll be able to see it from here. Then we have here optimizations. You can optimize your code to make it more small so that it will not be heavy, because no one who can work with heavy projects. Everyone wants the project which is too light, or that will not take a lot of data on his media. You can view the code, connect your code to GitHub, download the code, download the APK, or you download the Flutter CLI. Flutter CLI is a software that is used for FlutterFlow applications. For example, when you download it, you'll be able to access the FlutterFlow software that will make the applications run locally on your machines. You can view the code, you can test, you can view how the app will be if it is on a phone. At the same time, you can be able to run and test your application from here. This is where you test your applications. So when we come to Canvas, I won't talk much about it because everything that we shall deal with shall be done from here. So Canvas, it's giving us a screen for building the application. Then when we come to property panel, let me first put something. I'm going to put a container. Yeah. For example, if I put a container, I come here to properties panel, it's where I can be able to do anything on it. I can change its color, I can give it padding, I can change the background color, I can change the radius of it, and everything will be done from here. Everything will be done from there. Everything will be done from properties panel. I can be able to put actions on it, setting up its database query collections, that as we are going to be seeing them in the coming videos. So guys, subscribe to the YouTube such that you won't miss any video. In our next video, we shall begin to create mobile apps with good and beautiful features that will ease your work and make the mobile development easy for everyone. Thank you guys for watching. May God bless you.